To access analytics, go to www.google.com/analytics. Enter your Google username and password. Click on Audience and then Overview. This page gives you a first idea about what's going on your website. Every dot represents a day, and you can see the amount of visits per day. So these are unique visitors, and we can even see how long they stay on the website on average. Those numbers are probably close to the reality, but they are not reflecting exactly what's going on. Visitors blocking cookies won't be mentioned in those statistics. Also, web browsers like Firefox are blocking cookies by default. Looking at global statistics at the time of this video, we can see that Firefox only represents about 5%. Back to our audience overview. We can change the time frame of the data we are looking at. Analytics proposes presets of that range, but you can also enter a first date and the last date to be specific about a time period. The bounce rate metric shows you people who landed on your website without any further interaction. It could be people who arrived there by accident, so they're switching directly to another website, or it could be people that actually found what they were looking for right away and they didn't feel the need to go further into your website. Either way, there's no need to panic if you have a bounce rate. It's completely normal, and you should expect that. Another fun metric can be found under Audience, Geo, and Location. The map shows you where your audience is coming from, but this data might be biased by visitors using a VPN. A more accurate metric would be the language, because it is based on the operating system of the visiting computer. Under Mobile Overview, you can see what kind of device is connecting to your website: desktops, mobiles, or tablets. And under Devices, you can see the brands of the devices that connected to your website. Another key metric can be found under Acquisition, All Traffic, Source, Medium. This page gives you information about where the people come from before they arrive on your website. Referrals show you other websites or platforms that are linking to your website, and every time somebody clicks on this link, then you get a referral. Organic is basically the same thing, except the originating source is a search engine. Direct/none are generally sources that are undetected by analytics. It could be somebody typing directly your domain name in a web browser, somebody clicking on a shortcut present in a web browser, but these can also come from hard to detect social media sources like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or Skype. Under Behavior, Site Content, All Pages, you can find the top most visited pages of your website. In the first column, you can see the address of the visited page. A single slash represents the home page. Behavior flow gives us a rough overview of the user journey from the starting pages to the first interaction, the second interaction, etc. Clicking on Real-Time Overview shows you what's happening right now on the website. Opening two windows side by side, you can review in real time in Analytics the output of your interactions with your website. This way you can test different scenarios and find the signals to look for in Analytics. Analytics can be customized depending on our needs. For example, we can create goals to measure conversions. But this tutorial is only scratching the surface of Analytics, just to give you a quick grasp.